Hello and welcome to Delicious. I hope you are doing well. I am back with another new recipe. Today I will show aloo besan. It is an easy and quick recipe and tasty as well. The recipe is very suitable for office goers who want to avoid street food for a healthy lifestyle. So, let's start with the recipe. Prepare the potatoes for boiling at first. Take 6 medium sized potatoes. Pierce holes in the potatoes. Boil the potatoes in salty water. The holes will make the potatoes tastier from inside. Take 2 medium sized capsicum, cut them into diced shaped pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt in water. Add the potatoes and let the water boil. Once the potatoes are cooked, let them cool. Dry roast 4 tablespoons of besan. Roast until besan becomes slightly brown and then keep it aside. Peel off the skin from the boiled potatoes. Make quarter sized pieces. Pieces should not be small. We want to retain the shape while mixing. Small pieces will lose the shape easily. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Keep the flame medium. Add the capsicum, add the potatoes, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, sprinkle chili powder to taste, add salt to taste. If required, you can also sprinkle little bit of water. Mix everything well, but gently, otherwise the potatoes will lose shape. Insert the spatula sidewise and turn it over. After mixing, cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Keep checking every 2 to 3 minutes. Stir while checking. After 5 minutes, lower the flame. Add the roasted besan. Spread it all over the ingredients so that less mixing is required. Sprinkle half teaspoon of amchur powder. Ensure the flame is at the lowest. Now mix very well but gently. Besan must be well coated on the potatoes. The coating is the essence of this recipe. So do it carefully and properly. Use the same turn over spatula technique while mixing. See how well the besan is coated all over the potatoes. It is ready now. Serve hot and enjoy with roti or naan. I have added the butter naan recipe in the description. You can watch it. Please make it and let me know in comments. If you have liked the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay well. Thank you.